No! Fuck. Same again. I hate these jumps, man. Fuck. Again? Yes! Ooh, GG. Ooh, nice. That ending with those 4 spike, 5 spike jumps, that's pretty nerve-wracking. You have to be really focused to not die there. And I died at 92, so yeah, it was kind of annoying, but luckily I didn't have that much bad luck. Overall, this is a very nice mega collab. I think every creator did an amazing job with their part. There was no section that stood out as, oh, this one is a little worse than the others. Everything felt like it fits together in terms of difficulty, gameplay, and decoration. Nature funk, everything kind of connected with nature. I like the colors, I like the designs that the people made and had used. The song is also good. We don't really see that much of Water Flame, so it's nice to see a song from him. And this can either get, I can see this getting a medium demon, but honestly, this is, I think, like an easy demon. A hard easy demon, but still an easy demon. GG. Hey, let's go, top 10.